How to buy useless coin token. So this token came under the symbol of useless. Now, before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, as you can see, before going on about this token, make sure to check their X accounts and keep following the updates about this token. And don't forget to check their community also. As you can see, they have 2,800 members there. Now, as you can see, this token is available on the screener. It's created 1 month ago, and as you can see, it's increased by 27% in the last 24 hours. Now, as you can see, to be able to buy this token, what you need to do, just click here to copy the token address and open your Phantom wallet. Now, after that, click here on swap. Now, make sure to select the Solana from the top. Now, from the bottom, click here and paste token address in the search bar, as you can see. So this is our token. Click on it, and now you can type here how much you want to buy. So this is how much you will be able to receive that token, as you can see. Now scroll down a little bit and you will be able to find here swap. Now click on it, and after that you will be able to redirect it to OKX or Jupiter provider page to complete the buy process. So this is how to buy useless token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.